Morning, Eicher's class.
Good morning.
Today we just finished learning how to compare fractions and some strategies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fraction is part of the number what?
1.
It's also a,
Addition problem.
and the top part of a fraction is called the,
Numerator.
while the bottom is called a.
Denominator.
What is that? So like denominators would be two or more denominators that are the exact same, right? What's another name for like denominators?
Common denominator.
Yes, beautiful. And the bubble method is something we're going to talk about here in a couple of moments. All right, here we go. Big news right here. Big. This is like your big note. To get a common denominator between two or more fractions, find a common multiple or the LCM. This fraction, 1/5, this fraction, 3/5. Do they have common denominators?
Yes.
So can I compare them?
Yes.
Is 1/5 of a candy bar smaller or bigger than 3/5 of a candy bar?
Smaller.
Done. Nothing to do there. However, this fraction right here, 1/5, can I compare it to 2/3?
No.
Why?
Because the common denominator.
They don't have a common denominator. You can't compare fractions unless they have common denominators, right? So in order to find a common denominator for 5 and 3, we're thinking to ourselves, well, I just got to find a common multiple for 5 and 3, right? What do 5 and 3 both go into?
15.
Yeah, remember the snakes we made? Yeah, so we know that 5 and 3 both go into 15. So our new denominator is going to be 15. So we're going to write 15 as our denominator. You're right?
Yes.
After that, what do we make?
Bubbles.
We're going to make bubbles. We make this bubble and we make this bubble, right? How does a person get from 5 to 15? So if I'm going to find the equivalent fractions, I know that I need to figure out how I got from 5 to 15, right? What did I do? How did I get there? Multiplied by 3. So what do I multiply the numerator by?
3.
What is 1 times 3?
3.
So I now have a new equivalent fraction for 1/5, right? I still need to do my other side, though. I have 15 for a denominator. How did I get from 3 to 15? Multiplied by? What do I multiply the numerator by then? What's 2 times 5?
10.
So my new fraction, my equivalent fraction is 10/15. So 2/3 and 10/15 are the same, but now we have common denominators between the both of them, right? What's bigger, 3/15 or 10/15? So can I answer my original question? What's bigger, 1/5 or 2/3? What's bigger, 1/5 or 2/3? So my inequality symbol is eating the 2/3, yes? Do I need to find common denominators for these two? No. Do I need to find common denominators for these fractions? I use the bubble method then, right? So step 1, find a common denominator. Step 2, make your bubble. Step 3, find your new fractions, yes? Oh, this is so good. Sometimes they're going to ask you to put fractions in order. Yes? Can I compare these 3 fractions? I can't compare them. They have different what? So can I find a common denominator for 3, 4, and 2? Yeah, remember when we did the 3-headed snakes? They all have a common multiple of 12. So I make my 12s and I make my bubbles to find my numerators, right? Yes? We good?